So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing Jack Delhi Counseling 2024. So here is the complete information regarding safe rank for all 5 colleges up to last round. It is up to very last round what you can expect in best case scenario I'm going to consider. So all category information हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे जा सकते हैं जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है. All category Delhi and outside Delhi I will consider. So please try to watch the video up to the last where you will get the complete information. And if you want my guidance, you can contact me on the given number on the screen, and also in the description box you will get the link of my guidance course. Once you join there, you will get one-to-one guidance from me over phone call, Google Meet, WhatsApp, everything. You will be connected until your admission is done. So whenever you want, you can contact. So DTU cutoff, if you talk, I will consider two branch. One is CSE and one is lowest. In upcoming days I will provide you college wise all branches cutoff. So please try to keep patience and try to subscribe the channel. So for general CSE 13.7 thousand for home state, 6.5 thousand for other state, up to last round of spot counseling. So now if you talk about for lower branch, 1.3 lakh if you are having rank in general category home state, then you can get any type of seat. Means you just will get the admission in DTU, you will just enter into the college. And for other state it is 50,000. For EWS 26 8.3, CSE and all are CRL rank. You will get the benefit of your category, but your CRL rank will be used here. So as you are getting the college at very high rank, that suggests that you are getting the benefit of your category. So for lower 1.7 lakh and 55,000 for home state, other state. After slash it is for other state. For OBC 55 and 15,000 for CSE, lower 2.7 lakh 1.1 lakh. SC 90 and 40, CSE lower 9 and 2.3 lakh. ST 3 and 1.1 lakh, CSE lower 12 and 2.6 lakh. This was about the DTU cutoff. Now if you talk about other college NSUT, before that let me inform you about the complete guidance process, not only about Jack Delhi but for all the counseling whatever you are doing across India, JOSA, CSAB, BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, AEEE, MSCT, all type of counseling across India. I will guide you for UPTU, WBJ as well. So in the next section kindly check the detail of my guidance how I will guide. Here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, AEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. So hope you get the point. Now if we talk about NSUT cutoff, CSE 11 and 5,000 for CSE, lower 1.2 and 60 lakh. After slash it is for other state student, and before slash it is for home state student. Now if you talk about for EWS 23 and 8,000 for CSE, lower 2 lakh and 70,000. As you also know, 85% seats are reserved for home state only. That's why home state students are getting it at very high rank also as compared to other state. Now if you talk about OBC 48 and 15,000 for CSE, lower 3.6 and 3.6 lakh and 90,000. For SC 95 and 55,000, CSE lower 8.5 and 2.3 lakh. Now if you talk about for ST 3.5 lakh, that is for home state, and 1 lakh 15,000 for other state, lower 11 lakh and 3 lakh. So now if you talk about the triple IT Delhi information, general 12,000 and 5,000, CSE lower 35 and 25,000. EWS 35,000 and 9.5 thousand for CSE, lower 65 27,000. Lower means any type of lower branch, but here in case of triple IT Delhi, lower means EC branch. That's why the cutoff is not too much high as compared to DTU and NSUT. Now if you talk about OBC 70 and 17,000 for CSE, lower 1.5 lakh and 40,000. For SC 1.5 lakh and 65,000 for CSE, lower 3 and 2 lakh for Delhi and outside Delhi. For ST 1.6 lakh and 80,000 for CSE, lower 8 and 2 lakh. So this is a very good opportunity to get the college at very high rank through Jack Delhi counseling process. So kindly do the registration. If you have missed, you can do after second, third round also. I will update you. So please try to do the counseling very carefully up to last. If you want my guidance, you can contact me whenever you want, so that I will be guiding you until your final admission is done. Now if you talk about ICDTUW, that is only for female student, general 65 28,000, CSE lower 2 lakh and 70,000. and EWS 1.1 lakh 38,000 CSE lower 2.3 lakh and 80,000. OBC 2.2 lakh and 50,000 for CSE lower 5 and 1 lakh. SC 3.7 and 1.5 lakh for CSE, and for lower branch 11 and 5 lakh. So up to 11 lakh rank also you can get the seat if you are from Delhi through Jack Delhi counseling. So do it very carefully. ST 5 and 3 lakh for CSE lower 12 and 5 lakh. Now if we talk about DSEU cutoff, general 1 lakh and 50,000 for home state and other state Delhi, home state and other state CSE. And now if we talk about lower 3 and 1 lakh, EWS 3 and 1 lakh again, that is for CSE, lower 5 and 1. Lower 4 and 1.2 lakh. OBC 3 and 1 lakh for CSE, lower 5 and 1.5 lakh. SC 5 and 2 lakh for CSE, lower 11 and 4 lakh. ST 6 and 3 lakh for CSE, lower 12 and 5 lakh. So this was the complete information regarding all 5 colleges of Jack Delhi counseling process. So please try to subscribe the channel so you will not miss any update, and you will get the complete cutoff video also soon about each college in detail, about all the branches. I will consider male, female, home state, other state, everything. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.